We are pleased to show you the 2021 CR-V. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 2-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find leather trim seats, driver attention alert system, audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio radio, touch screen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, audio, speed sensitive volume control, child safety locks, vehicle assistance app, roadside assistance.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda Certified program is worth looking into.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.